Mr. Trump, I have a question about
Okay,
immigration.
who's next? Yeah, please.
Your immigration plan is
Excuse
full
me,
of
sit down.
empty
You weren't
promises.
called. Sit down.
Mr.
Down.
Trump, no, I'm a
Sit
reporter
down.
as an immigrant and as a
Go
U.S.
ahead.
citizen. I have the right to ask the question.
No, you
and
don't.
This is the question.
You haven't been called.
No, I have the right to ask the question.
Go back to
and
Univision.
No, this is the question.
Go ahead.
You cannot deport 11 million.
Go ahead.
You cannot deport 11 million people. You cannot build a 1,900-mile wall. You cannot deny citizenship to children in this country.
down,
and with
please.
those ideas,
You weren't called.
I'm a reporter and don't touch me, sir. Don't touch me, sir. You cannot touch me. I have the right to ask a question.
Yes, in order, in
I
terms,
have the right to ask a question. I have the right to ask a question.
Let me see it.
It's over there.
Instead of coming out, stay out. You just got to wait your turn.
You're very rude. It's not about you.
It's not about
Get out of my country. Get out.
This is
not about you.
I'm a U.S. citizen too.
Well, whatever. No, Univision, no.